Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your notifications are not working, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to check whether the notifications are enabled. For that, we will right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, look for notifications, and then check if the notifications are enabled. This radio button should be in the on position, and we need to expand this and check if these three are checked. If not, then check it. Now the second thing we need to verify is whether in the same panel the do not disturb button is activated or not. If it is in the on position, then switch it in the off position by clicking it, and then we will make sure that we do not turn on do not disturb automatically. Make sure that is uh, not checked. And another thing we need to do is make sure that the focus is switched off. So we will not, if we have started a focus session, then we will stop it, and that should enable the notifications. If that is not working, if none of these solutions work, then we need to run the SFC scan. So for that, we'll look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then we will input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish and then restart the computer by clicking on the start button, going to the power button, and then going to restart, and your notifications should start appearing. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.